Hello everyone, nice to meet again. Today I will show you the movements, first some movements of Shaolin Great Fighting Fists. So the name is Kuo. So I just do a little bit the warming up. Okay. Crush down. And I just introduce you 10 movements, 10 first movements. I won't make many comments because my English is not enough good. So you just observe my movements. I repeat again. Okay, let's start. So start like this. Two legs together, two palm or paw. I don't know how to correctly call it. So like this. And paw turn toward and raise to the level of mouth. Open it, push down, turn head to left, and with right hand make a hook, wave back, and the left hand raise up, and then chop left hand. Make this position, crush down and push. And then step with the right leg ahead, bend down, make this the right palm to the level of knee and left palm above the head. And then stand up, two palms cross in front of the chest and push down left palm, raise right palm. And then step back with the right leg and make a crouch stance. And two palms make position like this. And then stand. Okay. I repeat again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I move this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, chop, crush down, push. Okay, I move this way, so back to your back side. Again. Okay, so again, this way, and then maybe this is the last time. So observe carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, again. Okay, thank you. That's all for today. Bye bye.